Do you think we're gonna sell this house?
Get those goose.
Oh, my favorite guy. What's up, guys? Remember yung wholesale deal na ginagawa natin nung nakarang araw? Mayroon na naman tayong potential buyer na gusto makita yung deal. So Kuya Elijah and I are heading there right now. Tapos punta kami sa project West Kildona namin to drop off cabinet handles, and then maybe later we're gonna go to project Woodhaven. So do you think we're gonna sell this house? You think so?
Yep.
Yeah, let's go make some money. Let's go. Okay guys, nandito na kami sa wholesale deal natin. Wala pa yung buyer natin. Just waiting for them. Kuya Elijah's gonna go outside, get some fresh air, and also get those goose.
No, not him.
That's the seller. The seller is there on the white car. Sana mabenta na natin siya. Oh, change of plan. Hindi na kami pupunta sa Project Woodhaven. Bukas na lang pala kami pupunta doon para everything is done. Kasi meron pang small things na may nakalimutan si partner. Pero it's active. It's already listed. So I'll show it to you guys tomorrow. Okay guys. Well, gusto nung mga buyers natin. Pero yung price niya medyo a bit too high. Same thing na sinabi nung isa kong buyer nung nakarang araw. Price is too high, and I'm gonna try my best na mababaan yung price from the seller. Pero they're kind of stuck dun sa gusto nilang price, and they would rather keep it than sell it kung it doesn't make sense for them. So yeah, it is what it is. Ganun talaga. Sometimes hindi mo mabibenta. Sometimes you just wanna help out and make a little bit. So punta na kami sa West Kildona project namin. Da-drop namin yung cabinet handles. Alright, let's go. What's up guys? Dito na tayo sa project West Kildona natin. And da-drop lang natin tong kitchen handle na order natin. The project is looking good. As you guys can see, primer na yung sidings natin. Elijah is sleeping inside the car. Hindi na siya bumaba. Let's go. Oh, my favorite guy. Why you put the black handle? Just to show, eh? Okay, here's the golden handle for you, my guy. Sure. Okay, Picasso. Let's see upstairs. What's going on? Same thing pa rin dito sa taas. Okay. Naputi na siya, oh. Yung sa gilid, ito, pinagtalunan namin. Blue ito, eh. Diba? Puti and blue. But we got it right. Ano na siya? Puti na. Okay, guys. Done here at Project West Kildona. That's it for today's vlog. Right, Elijah? What are we doing later?
Gonna go biking?
I think so. See you guys later. Or tomorrow. Peace.